welcome to another video, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, guys. Welcome my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Guys, I just want to show you what been going on right now, right across New York City. Here, you see this is the handicap ramp right here. This is a sidewalk, but this is a handicap ramp, and they recently do this over. What they're doing, they're going across the city, right across the city, and they are rebuilding all these curbs, these sidewalk. And if you notice, they have this red plate right here. This red plate here is so that nobody slip when coming up, and for the wheelchair or whatever is coming up here to have a better grip coming up. These are access to the sidewalk for people with disability. All right, boss. Yeah, so we're wearing the same hat. That's good. That's a good look. All right. Yes, guys. So this is how they are doing the sidewalks right across the city, so that people can have access, easy access, especially those with disability. And guys, it's unlawful to come and park your car here on the curb. If you do it, chances are you're gonna get a ticket. So no one is allowed to block these areas. No one at all. It is forbidden to park right here. So guys, let's take a walk up. They are doing some more construction work up the top here, so let's take a walk, guys, and see what's going on here. So guys, there's a lot of construction that is going on, mostly road construction here in New York City. They're digging up gas line, they're doing a lot of stuff here. So let's take a walk up here and see what these guys are doing. There's always something going on in New York. And guys, because of the heat, because of the intense heat too, the hydrant, they opened the hydrant to release water, so to cool down the place. So see the hydrant over there running? That's what you will see all across New York. This summer was brutal, guys. So here we have another crew doing some construction work right here. They're digging up the road. Not sure what they'll be putting down. All right. Right here, and these guys are blazing. Noise, I just can't see that, guys. That thing is powerful, and those guys working with that thing, guys, I know sooner or later they're gonna have hearing problem, because I used to use one of those, and guys, let me tell you something, it's not easy. But the only thing, guys, I can tell you that construction pays well, and a lot of people want to get into construction, but the longevity of it is not nice, because as you get older you'll start to feel the effect of doing that kind of a job, because it's not easy. Your body starts to break down over time. It's not an easy job, guys. It pays well, but it's not an easy job to do. So here we have a flagman, guys. That flagman, he's right there, and I guarantee just by standing there with the flag, probably making $70 an hour just for being a flagman right there. And these guys down here, it's different, because I know very good paying job, but the tediousness of it bring health problem after a while, and I think that's why it pays so much. So this guy here is starting up the stream, so I'm gonna cut some plants. Here comes the bumper. Guys, you see how protective they are. They, you know, they have this barricade, so you know when anybody's passing, you know, it's a protected barricade right here, so no one veer over into the actual work area. These guys are cutting planks. They have to shore up. They have to make sure that they shore this place up properly. As you know, they don't want OSHA to come here. So these guys are doing what they're supposed to do. They're doing a good job because they're making sure that the place is shore up, so no embankment can't, no dirt will be able to come down. Even though right there I'm seeing it would be totally impossible for something to come down. But so there are incidents where guys be going down in trenches that they dug out, and then after a while it would collapse, and you know, and people get covered up. But Guys, this is solid. I don't see that happening here, but these guys are taking no chances. Precaution is the best. These guys are making sure that they take every precaution necessary to be safe. So that's what they call shoring. They're cutting up these planks and they're shoring up. And if you notice, they put a brace in the middle of it just to hold back the dirt right here. That's how they do it. So no collapse, nothing. Because that trench is more than 3 feet, so they have to set up some form of protection right down there. Yes guys, so please like, guys, share and subscribe to the channel, guys, as I bring you some more videos. Guys, as I do traveling videos. I bring to you whatever I can get. Guys, these machine operators, these guys, they know how to handle machinery. As you can see, guys, this worker right here is a flagman. They call him the flagman. You can see he's there just for that purpose, directing traffic, make sure nothing happen, try to keep people safe. So that's what he's there doing. That's his job. So guys, what they're doing here. So guys, these guys are laying gas line. They probably have a leak or something near, so they are taking care of that. But this is a gas line. This is connected, guys. Guys, it's not easy working in the sun. It's not easy. Nothing easy about construction work. Nothing at all. Guys, I think what is gonna happen right here, from the looks of it with this cut right here, I think they're repairing a gas line. That's a pipe down there, so they'll be doing some repair to that line there, because this is a gas company. This guy here now cutting, this guy, he has it a little easier because he's in the shade. He's a timberman. He's cutting so he's technically the timberman guy. Thing over his legs, that's to protect him from the chainsaw. Should it slip, it would hit that first and wouldn't create that much damage if such should happen. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you for watching. Blink Your TV. I'm out.